After watching this video, you can create your own US or UK TikTok account from Africa or anywhere around the world, right from your smartphone. No difficult procedures are needed. Yes. Now, first of all, you need to ask yourself, why do I need a TikTok account from these countries? Yes, US and UK are not the only countries you need a TikTok account for. Now, let me show you why you need a TikTok account from these countries. We all know that you cannot make money on TikTok if your account does not belong to some of these countries that are listed, that are available for the Creator Reward program on TikTok, which you get paid by views. Now, let me show you. A lot of people can still ask the question if this is possible. Yes, it's possible. You can do this without a VPN. Yes, without no VPN, you can actually create this account and it works perfectly. Yes. Now, let me show you some of the proof. Now, I directed this question to them. Can someone create a US or UK TikTok account from Africa or anywhere around the world without using a VPN? The answer is yes. Someone can create a TikTok account from Africa or anywhere around the world without using a VPN. It's actually working. This method has been existing for a very long time. Now you just let's know the updates. Now let me show you why you need a TikTok account from these countries. There is something we call on TikTok the Creator Reward Program. Yes, whereby if you are eligible for the TikTok Reward Program, you get paid by your views. Just as the same way we get paid on Facebook and other social media platforms. Yes. Now this is the Creator Reward Program. This is why you need an international TikTok account like UK, US, and other countries. I will also show you the listed countries that are available for this Creator Reward Program. Just rest assured. Watch this video to the end and you will learn a lot. Creator Reward Program. This is a program where TikTok pays you for video views. Basic requirements. These are the criteria you need for you to be eligible for this program. Now, at least 10,000 followers, at least 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. Very simple criteria. Video must be over 1 minute long. You will not get paid for a video less than 60 seconds. No matter the views on that video, you will not make money from that video from this Creator Reward Program if the video is not up to 1 minute or more. Yes. Now, the other criteria is it must be in an eligible country like US, UK, France, etc. This is why your TikTok account needs to belong to one of these countries. Yes, I will show you the list of the countries. Yes. Now, you can earn money based on qualified views and engagement. Qualified views. For instance, for a view to be qualified and get paid for that view, the watch of that view needs to be 5 seconds or above. But if that viewer watch your video for just like, for instance, for like 2 seconds or 3 seconds and swap away, you will not get paid for that view. No matter the views you get on that particular video, you are paid based on qualified views. Yes. Now, let me show you the listed countries that if your TikTok account is available, is created from this country, you will get paid, you will get access to the Creator Reward Program. These are the countries. I directed a question to them. Country that TikTok Creator Reward Program is currently available. This is their answer. As of 2026, the TikTok Creator Reward Program in bracket, which replaced the old Creator Fund, is only available in small number of countries. It's just available for only small number of countries. Now, countries where the TikTok Creator Reward Program is available: the United States of America. Yes, is the number 1 country. The second country is the United Kingdom, followed by France, Germany, Japan, South Korea, Brazil, and Mexico. If you look at this list, there is no African countries that make it to this list. For you to know that it's very difficult for you to get access to this Creator Reward Program. That's why you need this method I'm about to introduce on how to create account from these countries without you ever being there, without you living in that country, or without asking someone from that country to help you create an international TikTok account. Yes, you can do it right from Africa or anywhere around the world. It's very easy. Now, if this is your first time of seeing me, I am Junior MJ, a tech influencer. I teach a lot of things across different social media platforms on how to make money on social media, how to make money across the internet, different ways. Yes, I also teach on how to read another person in WhatsApp messages right from your own device without getting access to your phone. Yes, if you're interested in that video, please just comment what I'm interested and expect the tutorial soon. Don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss the video. Now, let's dive in on how to create this international account. First, you need to access your TikTok account. Just access your TikTok account. It's very easy. Tap on your profile. Yes, this is my current TikTok account. Yes, this is my personal, my official TikTok account. So do well to also follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook using the same name. Tap on menu. Scroll to select setting. And scroll down, tap on switch account and select add accounts. You can only do this if you already log into another TikTok account. But if you are using the app for the first time, just tap on sign up and follow the procedure. Now tap on add an account. This is the procedure. They're asking me to log in. Now, my intention is to sign up, meaning to create a new account. Now, let's just tap on sign up. This is our sign up session where we are asked to create a new TikTok account. Yes. Now, this is the most tricky part, guys. This is the most tricky part. This is where you determine where your TikTok account is creating from. Yes. Now, let's just read this small note. By continuing with an account located in, this is the country I'm currently in, you agree to our terms of service and acknowledge that you have read our policy. Now, for you to bypass this, it's very simple. Now, just tap on this country. Yes, no matter the country, yeah, just tap on the country. Now, as soon as you tap on the country, you will see the listed country. Almost all the countries are here. Now, select the country you want to create, you want your TikTok account to come from. It's very like just keep laughing because it's very easy. This is the simplest method on how to create a TikTok account without using a VPN. Select the country you want your TikTok account to come from. Now, let's just scroll down and watch for the United States of America or UK, anyone. You have to choose yourself. Now, let me go with the UK, the United States of America. Let's just scroll down and search for it. Let's see. Where is it? Look at it. The United States of America. United States of America is here. Now, just select it. As soon as you select it, you notice that location in United States of America is changed from the previous location we are in. That's the country you want your TikTok account to come from. I'm explaining this so that you don't miss the steps. Yes. Now, what to do next is, as soon as this country is set to the country you want your TikTok account to come from, just tap on use phone number or email to create your account. If you want to use your local phone number, you can use it. It doesn't mean that you still have to use a US phone number or a US email address. No, just use whatever local information you have. Just use it. Yes, you can sign up using your Google account. Yes. Now let's just tap on use phone or email. Just tap on it. Select your date of birth. Let's just go with 10 May. Let's just go with 1970 for instance. And make sure you are above 18 years or above for you to be eligible for this program. Yes, it's very important. The criteria are clearly written there. We read them and I believe we all understood at the end of the day. Now tap on continue. There are two options that are available here for you to sign up. You can use your phone number or email. Let me just go with my email. Sorry, let me just go to an email. Let's use this one. Let's use this one. Just tap on continue. Now, create password. 8 character in brackets, 20 max. That is the maximum for your password. Yes. One letter, one number, one special character. Example. These are the example. Strong password. They're asking you to create a very strong password. It's very necessary. Now, let's use this password. Yes. Make sure when you are creating this password, you mix your letter, both small and capital letter, number and symbols. Yes. Now, let's use this one at 12. Now, tap on continue. This is just an example. Just tap on continue. Create nickname. This can be everything you like and can be changed later. We can't skip this one. Let's just give it as practical account. Now, tap on continue. This is your account. Just tap on your profile. Your account is ready. Practical account. Just go here. Tap on edit. Fill in your necessary information, your bio. If you want to change the name, you can also change the name if you like. Now, let's go to the most important part to check if it's actually from United States of America. Yes. Now, let's go. Tap on the menu. Select TikTok Studio. Now, scroll down. This is it. Is actually a United States of America TikTok account. How do you know that? Look at the creator reward program is here. Tap on this monetization. Look at it. This is the creator reward program. If you cannot find this particular monetization method on your account, on your TikTok account, that means that account is not from one of these countries we just mentioned earlier on. Yes, you must find this TikTok reward program because this is the method you get paid by views. If you cannot find this one, that means you are not from your account is not from these countries. Now, let's tap on it. Let's see the criteria. Now, you are close to join creator reward program. Collect reward for your 1 minute plus video. More reward for quality content. Monetize with top creators. To join, as you can see, 18 years or above, have at least 10,000 followers. We read it earlier on. You must have at least 100,000 video views. It's very easy to get here on TikTok. Yes. For more details on the Creator Reward program or to report a problem, view the FAQs. Now, if it happens, notify me when I'm eligible. They will notify you as soon as you hit all the criteria. Yes, it's not necessary though. This is one of the monetization program. We have subscription, creator, marketplace. Now, I'm actually giving this account to one of my followers on Instagram. Yes. So, if you're actually interested on this account, just go to my Instagram account. Under this video, just comment I'm interested and I will give you the login information to this account. You just have to change the password, or you can also change the email as well and start making use of it. Yes, by the time I hand over this account to you, it might be above 1,000 followers. You just have to do the rest. Yes, this is the channel you need to be, because here you learn a lot. The easy way, you need to subscribe. Thank you for watching and stay connected for the next video.